Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present to you the cryptocurrency market review presented by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. On the daily time frame, Bitcoin continues to form a downward trend. The trend structure is bearish. And the CHOCH line has been moved to 82,800 USD after a new lower low, which has formed. Only above this level can it be considered that downward trend has ended, since there are still no signs of an upward trend reversal. We believe the decline will continue. On the daily time frame, a new bearish FVG has formed in the 70,700 USD range. New sell signals may be formed within this pattern. However, at this moment, the pattern has not been worked out. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is approaching its next target, 57,500 USD. Note that we do not consider that level to be a final stop of the price movement. On the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin has completed a rising correction. The CHOCH line supporting the upward correction has been breached, and UCHOCH line supporting the new trend lies at the level of 65,600 USD. Currently, Bitcoin is dealing within the third bearish FVG. Within the current decline, if a reaction to this pattern is received, the decline will resume. If the pattern is cancelled, Bitcoin may enter a new phase of upward correction, or even form a flat. Bitcoin is trading around 59,751 USD, below the 21 SMA. It's a sideline on a graphic, and above the -1.8 mirror level, rebounded after hitting a low of 58,900 USD, which also coincided with the lower band of the uptrend channel formed since June 24. A Bitcoin pulls back to 59k in the coming hours. It could be seen as a buying opportunity around this level, as we could expect a strong technical rebound that might reach the upper bound of the uptrend channel around 61,600 USD. A Bitcoin consolidates above the psychological level of 60k, it could mark the start of the uptrend and a recovery toward the upper bound of the downtrend channel formed since early June, around 63,500 USD. So BTC could even reach the 200 EMA at around 65,322 USD. Conversely, if Bitcoin breaks below 58,900 USD, the outlook could turn negative, and we might expect Bitcoin to reach the lower bound of the downtrend channel around 57,200 USD, and could even reach the -2.8 mirror around 56,250 USD. The Argyle indicator is showing a negative signal and is approaching oversold levels, which suggests that Bitcoin could trade around the psychological level of 60k or above this zone in the coming days. Our trading plan for the next few hours is to buy Bitcoin above the 221 SMA. It's a sun line on a graphic, with targets at 61,500 USD and 62K, around 0.8 Muri level. That's all for today. See you online soon, and good luck.